You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to combine voice memos on your iPhone. You'll need a third-party audio editing app, as the built-in Voice Memos app doesn't have a merge feature. First, download a free app like Voice Record Pro or GarageBand from the App Store. Open the app and import the voice memos you want to combine. In Voice Record Pro, tap the plus icon to create a new recording project, then select Import Audio to add your memos from the Files app or your recordings. Arrange them in the order you want on the timeline. In GarageBand, create a new audio project, tap the loop icon, then go to Files and Audio Files to import your memos as tracks. You can drag and trim them on the timeline. Once arranged, export or share the combined audio file. The app will merge them into one continuous file. You can save this new combined memo back to your Voice Memos library or Files app. This is perfect for stitching together interview clips or creating longer audio notes. For more simple iPhone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.